Good job. So that's one way to do it. If you want to see a better way of removing the grip tape, check out Exway's video.
They have a tutorial?
Yeah, they have a tutorial. In their tutorial, their deck didn't look like this though. This looks kind of cool actually. I kind of want to just leave it blank. Just put like a clear grip tape or spray that glass stuff on it. Does the reflective grip tape actually reflect? We're gonna find out the truth. At first glance, it didn't look very reflective to me. You can see that these white parts are raised, but like under the light, you don't really see any reflecting going on. However, if you shine a light at it from the correct angle, you can see that it absolutely reflects. You've seen Max take off the grip tape. Now I'm gonna put on the grip tape. Should be really easy now. Okay, so you peel off just the front first, just the tip. Make sure it's lined up, because this way, if you screw up, you can still peel it off. It's got a concave, so you gotta make sure that the middle part goes down. Okay, it's not straight. Take two. That should be fine. Fuck. Why is there a gap on this side, but not? Okay, it's still not straight.
You have to push here and hold here and pull this all the way to back.
You mean like this, right? Yeah. Yes, listen to Max, don't listen to me. Now we peel. Okay. Yeah, so I hope you guys can tell that it's reflecting. Okay, I hope you guys can tell one is more reflective than the other. Anyway, in person, it's really obvious. If you look really close, you'll see that these reflective parts are also raised, kind of like the reflective markers on the streets, on the asphalt. I think it looks pretty cool. Max doesn't really like this design, but I like it. Now we're looking at the Rhombus grip tape from Exway. I think they call it the DIY Rhombus. I should be wearing gloves because this is super tough. Yeah, I think this is even rougher than my seismic grip tape. About the same, actually. When you change these, it's best to wear gloves because it's really easy to cut your hands. I mean, you're probably not going to bleed or anything, but you'll lose your fingerprints. It's got these rhombus shapes. Yeah, I'm not going to do all of it, but you guys get the idea, right? I'm not going to put it on my downhill board because my downhill board already has these really tough grip tape from Seismic, but I can put this on a different board, such as this one. Seems like a waste though. I'm just going to talk about it because I want to save this for later. I don't want to put it on a deck that I'm not using. One benefit of this rhombus shape, like the reason that it's not just an entire sheet, is because when there's these cutouts, this is much easier to bend and conform to the shape of the concave. So the Exway Flex deck is actually a good example of what these cutouts are good for. You can see that this is what it looks like. So here's another example of a deck that has extreme concaves. Because of these cutouts, it's easier for the grip tape to fit onto weird shapes from the concaves. These come in 3 pieces, and for a deck like this, 2 is probably enough. You can cut it up to be creative. The way I did it is kind of ugly, but yeah, you can mess around with it. Of course, you can use these rhombus pieces. How's that? Finally, we're going to look at the competition grip tape for the Exway Atlas. This is really sharp. This is for situations where you want to stay very, very much locked in on your board. I don't want to change it because I don't want to be that locked in because I'm not racing on my board, but just to show you what it looks like, it's like this. This middle piece comes off. In the competition, you can have your race number in the middle, or you can put anything else in there, like stickers or whatever, just to personalize it. There's a logo here. I think it's up to you if you want to pop these out and actually show the logo. Yeah, there you go. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Hey.